Bless our faculty who have so richly loved and taught and cared for these students. Bless these incredible friends and families here with us today who have cheered our students on and stood by their side through the good times and the not so good, and whose love and sacrifice helped make this day possible. And on this special day, we thank you for the friendships that have been formed among these classmates. Lord, thank you for all the gifts and talents given to this group. Pour out your strength on them as they go about their work of healing. Help them stay true to their dreams and to use their healing talents and gifts wisely. Bless their lives from this day forward with goodness and love. Amen. Amen. And now will you please join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now it's my privilege to introduce the MPC's president, Dr. Ronald Rand.
Thank you, Dr. Kirk. Dr. Kirk is our provost. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, one more time. Good morning.
Good morning.
So I ask the graduates and parents and friends, are you excited?
Yes.
Are you really excited? Well, you have the right to be excited. You have the right to celebrate. So we're happy to be here with you today. And I'm going to start off by saying, while these times are times we are still facing might be unprecedented, and while some of you may have overcome significant personal challenges to achieve your educational goals, and your pathway to success may have not always been easy, each of you persevered. Each of you persevered. Moreover, because of the environment we find ourselves in today, your achievements are even more significant. You will touch many people's lives positively. This ceremony is both symbolic and a meaningful occasion. You have worked hard, studied hard, and are ready to begin your careers officially. And so there are many groups of people who played a role in your success. And I know that you are well prepared by your faculty and you're ready to begin your careers. Accordingly, I extend my sincere thanks to the faculty and the staff who supported you along the way. I know you will agree that they are great. I know your family and friends join me in congratulating you on your accomplishments and dedication. They will continue to be with you in spirit as you enter this vitally important healthcare profession. So graduates, please ensure that you take the time to personally thank your family and friends who have been on this journey with you. Please take the time to thank them. As a graduate from a program in the MPC School of Healthcare, you will join an elite group. It also means that you will be filling one of the most critical needs in our community, healthcare. Your willingness to step up and to serve your community tells me that you recognize this very special opportunity to help ensure those in need receive the very best care. You are in store for a great professional and personal satisfaction because of the career you've chosen. Your completion of this program, however, is not an end, but the beginning of achieving your personal and professional dreams. The valuable skills you have acquired will help you achieve these dreams. As a fellow MTC graduate, I do have a favor to ask of you. Please join the Alumni Association. It is free. Just go to the website and sign up. It's an easy process. Your support is important to us. Your remaining connection to our college is important to us. And so in closing, graduates, your determination and your commitment to your education is impressive. You have the respect and admiration of our faculty, staff, administration, and our board of trustees. We are indeed honored to share this special day with you, your family, and your friends. Congratulations and my very best wishes to each of you. Next up is MPC's Vice Provost, Dr. Diane Carr. Dr. Carr.
Thank you, Dr. Raines. Good morning.
Good morning.
See, you warmed them up well. Welcome to the pinning ceremony for the School of Healthcare Spring Class of 2022. I'm going to be directing most of my comments to the students, the graduates, but I want the rest of you to listen in because I want you to hear this too. So graduates, congratulations on completing a program that is difficult in the best of times, much less during a global pandemic. You have proven yourselves to be strong-minded, strong-willed, and strong-hearted in getting through your program. And I know you are among the best healthcare providers anywhere in this state, in this country, and throughout the world. I've lived in this community all of my life. When I go into a medical facility to get care for myself or someone I love, and when I see that one of the folks who are taking care of me or my loved one is an MTC graduate, I feel two things. First, I feel pride. Because as an employee here at Midlands Technical College, I know how skilled and compassionate you are. I know you uphold the highest standards of healthcare. And I like knowing that I may have played a small part in preparing an excellent healthcare professional like you. But second, I feel comforted because I know that for myself or the loved one that I am with, we are about to receive the very best of care from our healthcare provider. So I want to thank you now for the contribution that you are going to make to the quality of life here in our community. For your family, for my family, and for all our neighbors and friends here in the Midlands of South Carolina. Congratulations to you all. I want to invite to the stage now my co-worker,
Amy Scully, the Vice Provost for Continuing Education.
Good morning.
Morning.
My name is Amy Scully, and as Diane said, I am the Vice Provost for Corporate and Continuing Education. I'd like to join my colleagues in welcoming everyone today for this wonderful day of celebration of our graduates' accomplishments. Thank you to all of you for trusting MTC with your education. We take this trust very seriously. Your success in arriving at this juncture is a credit to your hard work and your commitment to your chosen profession. I would be remiss if I didn't also extend my appreciation to the faculty and staff at Midlands Technical College who helped you in your journey here today. To all of our educators and those that support the education, I say thank you. In particular, I want to acknowledge my colleague, Ms. Geiger, who serves as the Healthcare Program Director in Corporate and Continuing Education. Candace's position is unique in that she is currently responsible for 8 diverse programs, and this summer she will be adding number 9 to her list that she oversees. My wish for all those being recognized today is that you continue to learn and that you take to heart the following words from Dr. Robert Moreton, a longtime radiologist. A patient is not an interruption of our work. Patients are the purpose of the work. And as healthcare professionals, we are not doing them a favor by serving them. They are doing us a favor by giving us the opportunity to do so. Again, congratulations to all of you, and a personal thank you for letting me be part of your accomplishments today. Thank you. At this time, I'd like to introduce Candace Doyle, who is the Dean of our School of Healthcare.
Everyone.
Good morning.
It's nice to be third, fourth down the line because we've heard so many welcomings from everyone. If I missed something, I know that they've said it before me. So, again, good morning. My name is Candace Doyle. I am the Dean for the School of Healthcare, and on behalf of the faculty, staff, and leadership, I would like to welcome you to the Spring 2022 Pinning and Recognition Ceremony. This is the day where we take the opportunity to lift our students that have dedicated their life, their near future to healthcare and taking care of every single one of us in this room. Midlands Technical College is comprised of many healthcare programs ranging anywhere from certificate degrees to associate degrees. We have a very wide range of things to offer our students and our communities. Over the past couple of years, we had to reimagine what that education looked like. We have gone from that traditional brick and mortar in the classroom to having to do things online, having to do things virtual, and then also a wonderful simulation center that allows students to be able to focus in on something that they need to concentrate on that maybe they cannot find in the actual healthcare setting. You're going to hear about a lot of these different healthcare professions today. Some that you may know, some you may not know. But what you'll find is that every single one of those professions, every single one of those graduates and healthcare workers have to work together in order to ensure that our patients get the best possible care. We need each other. So as we came for the School of Healthcare, this was the time for us to go ahead and acknowledge one another as colleagues and to work together and find out that we really will work together when we leave the arena. So, I guess what I want to do is let's get on with the ceremony. I know that that's why you're here. You probably have heard enough from all of us on the stage. So for the intended graduates and honor of the pinning and recognition ceremony today, what I would like for you to do is to just take a moment and recognize all of the people that have helped you on your journey, whether it was Your parents, your children, your colleagues, people that you work with, faculty, everyone has helped you get to where you are today, and I hope that you take just a little bit of that with you. So at this point, I would like to move on with our program, and if I would actually like to call Ms. Shantae Simmons, who is the Allied Health Sciences.
Welcome, everyone. I'd like to first start by thanking the parents, spouses, children, friends, and others who have supported our students over the past 2 years. I'd also like to thank the dental program's faculty for pouring an inordinate amount of knowledge into our students along the way. I am confident that these students, or shall I say soon-to-be graduates, will be superb clinicians. As each and every one of you know, navigating COVID-19 has been an uphill struggle for a couple of years now. As I reflect on this class, I often think of how brave they are. COVID-19 was fairly new when they started our program, and the number of individuals infected were fairly high. I want you to think about that for just a minute. These students knew about COVID. They knew how easily this virus was transmitted. They knew that as a dental hygienist, they would be at an increased risk of getting COVID because, let's face it, we work in the mouth. Yet, they still chose this profession. What a brave group of healthcare providers we have among us today. I'd like to also brag a little bit more about this group of dental hygiene students. In 2 years, these students have passed 17 dental courses. That doesn't even include the prerequisite courses they had to take just to get into the program. They have learned about infection control, radiation safety, head and neck anatomy, tooth morphology, every type of gum disease known to man, how nutrition affects oral health, pathology, and let's not forget the tons of medications they had to learn about in pharmacology. In addition to all of this, they had to learn how to actually clean teeth. They learned all about instrument design, how to detect calculus, how to probe teeth, how to treatment plan, and so much more. They had to pass competency after competency after competency, and even had to be the guinea pig for their partner during this learning process. They practiced on each other, and by the end of spring of their first year, they provided dental hygiene services to their first community patient. In our clinic alone, on the campus, these students have taken over 588 radiographs, scaled and groove planed 346 quadrants, provided whitening trays to 34 patients, and performed cleanings on 577 adults and 44 children. To our students, as we often hear, life is about the journey, not the destination. If it was not for the journey, we would not appreciate the accomplishments that have been achieved. You have navigated COVID like champs. Your resilience to changes within the program the past few years is something to be proud of. Your experiences have made you amazing, soon-to-be registered dental hygienists. You have welcomed me as your new program director with open arms, and for that I am especially thankful. Before we begin awards and pinning, I wanted to reiterate what Ms. Schneider said earlier this week. You do more than clean teeth. You are all non-surgical periodontal therapists. Now go out into this world and save lives one smile at a time. I now ask our second year coordinator, Ms. Mary Snyder, to come up and introduce our graduates.
Now let's meet the members of the Midlands Technical College Dental Hygiene Class of 2022. Caroline Abel. Caroline Armstrong. Miss Emily Boland. Miss Jordan Cochran. Jordan has been selected by her faculty to receive the Hugh 3D Golden Scalar Award. For over 40 years, Hugh 3D has been proud to sponsor the Golden Scalar Award, recognizing an outstanding dental hygiene student, and has become a cherished symbol of dental hygiene excellence, honoring someone who has demonstrated remarkable skill and talent over the course of their clinical work. This award is a testament to that achievement. Jordan is certainly deserving of this award. Congratulations, Jordan. Ms. Sharice Dawson. Ms. Olivia DiPiazza. Miss LaPortia Dunson. Miss Olivia Gant. Miss Sophie Gray. Miss Lauren Gregory. Lauren was awarded the SB Dental Association Auxiliary Scholarship. The qualifications for this award are academic performance and planning to work in South Carolina. Auxiliary defined means providing supplementary or additional help and support. A dental office or practice works together as a team, providing support to each other and to their patients. Lauren exemplifies teamwork and is well deserving of the scholarship. Congratulations, Lauren. Rebecca Gregory Johnson. Rebecca has been selected for the Simply Hygiene Professional Growth Award. This award takes the focus off of GPA and places the emphasis on the entire dental hygiene student. The Simply Hygiene Professional Growth Award is a crystal vase with 4 distinct points representing pillars of success. Becca exemplifies all of these and thus is the recipient of the Professional Growth Award. Congratulations, Becca. Miss Amanda Berman. Miss Sade McCreary. Miss Marlicia Mister. Miss Shweta Potter. Miss Shelley Sharp. Miss
Miss Brittany Steffler-Barr.
That's my girl!
Mary Clary Award, which was established in June 1993 in honor of Miss Mary Clary, the long-term executive director of the SCDA because of her dedication to dentistry. In fact, Mary Clary's granddaughter is a dental hygienist who graduated from Midlands Technical College. Each school selects one nominee for this award. The student must then complete the application and have an interview with dentists on the selection committee. Brittany has also been selected by her faculty to receive the Colgate Oral Health Advisor Star Award. This award is given to the graduating dental hygiene student who shows excellence and commitment to the dental hygiene profession by demonstrating true dedication to the profession, exhibiting extraordinary compassion in patient care, displaying enthusiasm and follow-through for community service, and demonstrating outstanding patient education and motivation skills. I have personally heard Brittany give her patients the education and encouragement to improve their oral health and thus their overall health. I have also witnessed her many efforts towards community service and getting her classmates involved. She most certainly meets the criteria and is well